If you're looking to flexibly manage your lease from the comfort of home, the Motability Scheme online account is here to help. There's a host of great features to help you stay organised and save time, and it's available for all scheme customers. If your address or phone numbers change, you can easily update these in your account without having to call us. You can also find your dealer's contact information should you need to arrange a service or repair. And if you want to change your named drivers, no problem. This can easily be done through your account too. Plus, you can securely save your bank details to receive payments such as the good condition payment or end of contract payment in a few days rather than a few weeks, and it'll save you a visit to the bank. When it's time to order a new car, the online account can help you with this as well. Car and wheelchair accessible vehicle customers can sign in and start their application from home, allowing you and the dealer to focus more time on choosing the right car. Once you've placed your order, you can also use your online account to check the progress of your application and access the PIN, ready for that all-important delivery day. It's quick and easy to sign up, so why not create your online account today and enjoy greater freedom to manage your lease?